Greetings and welcome to the RC Wallet Vacuum channel. Today I'm back up here at the rapidly expanding RC Wallet Vacuum RC Motorsports Park. I've spent a little bit of time with the New Holland piling dirt. Kind of gotten to see somewhat of a scheme of what's going on here. Once it dries up, I got to rototill all those piles out and rake them and get them formed. And so it does wrap up around, and it will eventually go way down into this woods. There's actually an existing track down in there, so altogether there's a huge section of terrain up here. But that's not what we're up here for today. Today is my wife's birthday, and she's got a new Traxxas Sledge, and we're going to try it out on one of the existing tracks, so stick around. So I know there's a lot of Traxxas haters out there, and I mean they are kind of lawsuit happy, so that kind of sucks. But I'm pretty loyal to Traxxas and the small scale stuff. My first go around with RC hobby was back in the early to mid 90s when I got that. The Traxxas Nitro Buggy, which I want to do a resto mod with that. Resto mod build, I should say, this winter with that. But at the time here in Western New York, hobby shops were a dime a dozen. They were everywhere. I think I bought that Nitro Buggy it was upstairs in a warehouse along the Niagara River up in Kenmore. And so anyhow, I got out of the hobby. When I got back in a couple years ago, I was kind of disturbed with the fact that there's really no hobby shops around. So it's almost like looking for a breeding pair of unicorns. So I did end up finding, the point is that I ended up buying this thing here. I did find a local hobby shop by the name of Fields Hobby. It's up on Union Road in Cheektowaga, outside of Buffalo. So I guess the point I'm trying to make is that while the hobby shops, your local hobby shops are still around, is try to do business with them and keep them supported. Like in this case, I would have to take a day off from work if I would order it online, wait for FedEx to show up, even if they got the date right, which they usually don't, and then sign for it. We're here. I just had to drive a few minutes from work to pick the thing up. So if you're in Western New York, you don't already know of Fields Hobby. Stop by. They're a great bunch of guys. It's a cool little shop. They're very helpful and informative, and you definitely won't regret it. It's up on Union Road north of Walden. And I have no affiliation with Fields at all, other than going to the shop. So it's not a paid promotion or like that. I just like to shop, and I think it's important to try to support your local hobby shops before they're just gone and you're kind of screwed, other than wait for stuff to be shipped. Oh, this all looks like clean. That shouldn't last that long. Get one last video of it. No, it's still clean. Got the speed control. The body is much improved over the last. That's slick. Yeah, throttle's key too when you're hitting it. Ooh, that was a bad one. Ooh, that wasn't planned. Definitely gotta let the throttle off a little bit before you jump.
Yeah, they all handle differently. Yeah. That's for sure.
Died? So it took a beating, but nothing broke. Front body got smashed in a little bit, but other than that, it worked really well. So its first excursion went pretty well out there. A little muddy, but the vehicle handled pretty well. It holds up well, and the way the body goes on there now is way better than what they used to have. The Rustler was kind of a pain in the ass. This one snaps in there really well. A little dent in the front. It came out without a problem. I'm going to clean this baby up and put it away till the weather improves a little bit. Hopefully she likes it. Because I know I do, and I might have to get one of these for myself. Sure, it's a lot simpler to deal with than the fifth scale gas and all its issues. But whatever. It's all in the name of fun and spending money. Thanks for watching.